Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency industry as a whole is still recovering from China's decision to ban cryptocurrency, Dogecoin appears to be signing huge deals. In previous videos, we've shown how businesses all over the world are working with Doge to facilitate payments. But the Flexa partnership is a game changer. Doge benefits from this current alliance with Flexa because the platform enables thousands of businesses to accept digital payments more quickly. In essence, digital currencies can make payments easier for these businesses, which may struggle to do so themselves through traditional cross-border methods. But what are its broader implications on Dogecoin's future? Let's find out. Hello, and welcome back to another CryptoFire video. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away 1 Ethereum to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a message on your favorite cryptocurrency. Best wishes. Now, let's get started with today's video. As we mentioned, Dogecoin recently signed a deal with Flexa, which is an incredible deal that will increase the cryptocurrency's value in the long run. The Flexa news is good for the price of Doge, visibility, and demand. As more companies begin to use the cryptocurrency, its prevalence across payment networks in the United States and beyond is only going to grow. You can also use Dogecoin in GameStop, Nordstrom, Lowe's, and Petco with the help of the Flexa app. On top of that, another network, Flare, which is actually a very big modern decentralized network, is introducing full smart contract features to the XRP and Dogecoin ecosystem. They have announced that they will also be working with Stellar, Litecoin, and in particular, Dogecoin, but that's not all. Elon Musk's SpaceX, which is also headed by Musk, has recently begun work on the Doge 1 Moon mission, which is expected to launch in 2022. This is supported by Elon Musk's tweets, which identified Doge as the first meme in space and the first cryptocurrency on the moon. Doge 1, according to the Vice President of Commercial Operations of SpaceX, will show the use of cryptocurrencies in space and pave the foundations for interplanetary exchange. This is all quite forward-thinking, but it also shows that one of the world's most innovative companies regards Doge as a credible currency. Elon Musk is an inventor. Given his blockchain references, the self-proclaimed Doge father made his SNL debut a few weeks ago. During his appearance, the price of Dogecoin dropped below 50 cents. It again fell to about 25 cents yesterday, only to gain back a significant increase to about 33 cents today. Even though the price of Doge isn't close to its all-time high of 70 cents, other companies are still showing interest in the coin. Bots, a vertical integrator and emerging innovator in robotics, automation and manufacturing products, revealed today that it is one of the first publicly traded companies to recognize Dogecoin for any of its products and services. We have been developing a new type of Dogecoin miner and decided to accept Dogecoin as payment. We are one of the first publicly traded companies to accept Dogecoin. Many companies, including car dealerships, now also accept this coin, said Paul Rosenberg, the CEO of Bots. As we mentioned in the previous videos, there are around 1,300 stores that are currently accepting Dogecoin payments. This includes over 800 shops and markets, 44 fitness outlets, 40 home and garden stores, and 32 jewelers, 43 gaming stores, 13 mining hardware stores, and 128 business services stores. EasyDNS appears to be riding the crest of the Dogecoin rally too. The Canadian firm claimed to be the first to support the multiple cryptocurrencies which are already flourishing in the industry. One of its blogs said, "We were the first ICANN registrar to accept Bitcoin, the first to accept Ethereum, the first to accept Litecoin, and now Doge. This is a big victory for Doge, essentially nullifying China's cryptocurrency ban." To commemorate Doge Day last month, Newegg also revealed that Dogecoin will now be accepted as payment on their website. The excitement and momentum around cryptocurrency are undeniable, and the recent surge in Dogecoin value underscores the need to make it easier for customers to make purchases with this popular cryptocurrency, said Andrew Choi, Senior Brand Manager of Newegg. "We're committed to making it easy for our customers to shop however works best for them, and that means letting them complete transactions with the payment method that suits them best. To that end, we're happy to give Dogecoin fans an easy way to shop online for tech," he added. Then there's Gemini, the crypto exchange which is run by the Winklevoss twins. They stated that they are pleased to announce that trading for Dogecoin, which is the wittiest and friendliest cryptocurrency in the universe. In a blog they said, "No one person, organization, or authority decides the value of a crypto. Its value is determined by its supply and your demand for it. In Dogecoin's case, its money supply is transparent, predictable, and disinflationary. The Dogecoin protocol issues a fixed amount of 5 billion Doge every year. Over time, this fixed, annual issuance of 5 billion Doge will represent a much smaller percentage of Dogecoin's overall money supply. This means the growth rate of Dogecoin's money supply is actually decreasing. In other words, Dogecoin's money supply is disinflationary. This is not dissimilar to how Ethereum's money supply of Ether currently works. Recently, demand for Dogecoin has outstripped its supply. As a result, its price has been mooning. The people are speaking. In addition, if you haven't already heard, the Dallas Mavericks and BitPay have partnered to allow Dogecoin to be used to buy tickets and merchandise from their online team shop. The owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban, has made several popular tweets about this. The Mavericks was the first sports team in the world to recognize Dogecoin as payment. Mark Cuban said, "The Mavericks have decided to accept Dogecoin as payment for Mavs tickets and merchandise for one very important, earth-shattering reason, because we can. Because we can. We have chosen to do so. We have chosen to do so because sometimes in business you have to do things that are fun, engaging, and hopefully generate a lot of PR. So we will take Dogecoin today, tomorrow, and possibly forevermore." For those of you who would like to learn more about Dogecoin, we strongly encourage you to talk to your teenagers who are on TikTok and ask them about it. They will be able to explain it all to you. The point here isn't that a lot of companies and sports teams have decided to accept Doge. Its major implication is that it will be adopted by a larger number of businesses in the future as well. As a result, a growing number of people, including potential investors, will consider Doge as a store of value and a means of payment. Let us not forget that the United States is one of the most innovative countries in the world, with almost unlimited opportunities for businesses and consumers to trade with one another. Since no single person, corporation, or authority determines the value of a cryptocurrency, the fact that Flexa accepts Doge bodes well for future demand for the coin and its price. Its value is determined by the supply and demand for it. The money supply of Dogecoin is free, predictable, and deflationary. Every year, the Dogecoin protocol produces a fixed amount of 5 billion Doge. This fixed annual issuance of 5 billion Doge would eventually account for a much smaller portion of Dogecoin's overall money supply. This means that the growth rate of the Dogecoin money supply is actually slowing. To put it another way, Dogecoin's money supply is deflationary. This is similar to how Ethereum's money supply actually works. Dogecoin demand has recently outstripped supply. As a result, its value has risen and fallen. It has entered into a large deal with Flexa, which is fantastic because it enables hundreds of thousands of people to use it. This is very promising for Doge and would undoubtedly encourage more companies to adopt it in the future. More importantly, it represents a big step forward in the future of decentralized finance, as businesses will increasingly engage in peer-to-peer transactions. Keep an eye out for the next breakout stages we've been discussing as Doge's popularity grows in the United States and around the world. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.